Mark from Pioneer Pigeons here. Thought I'd show you another young bird for the 2025 season just being weaned. This is another cracker, brand new pairing for this year. Really love this young bird. So this is from Pioneer Sparky Star, who's a double grandson of Starboy, and Pioneer Aargo, who's a Francois, really very well bred Francois hen. I got both of the parents last year, so this is first time pairing this year. So yeah, best of the Francois, best of the Morris O'Donnell, Starboy, Miss Morris lines, and this young bird will be going to the Dubai One Love race next month. Really like this young bird. So we'll see. Catch you soon.